Urine, the waste report. Urine is the body's ultimate report card. When your red blood cells hit their expiration date, the liver scraps them and dumps the toxic remains into the kidneys. The kidneys process this mess into a chemical called urobilin, which is why your waste is yellow. If it's transparent, your system is running too much water. If it's dark tea-colored, your internal filtration is stalling. It's not just liquid, it's a daily diagnostic report that you're flushing away without even checking the data. Sweat, the bacterial buffet. Thermal sweat is just an AC unit, but emotional sweat, that's a completely different software glitch. Your apocrine glands dump a mix of proteins and lipids onto your skin. On its own, it's odorless, but trillions of bacteria living on your skin see that mixture as a five-star feast. They gorge on the fats and burp out waste gases. That pungent smell isn't you. It's the literal byproduct of a bacterial dinner party happening in your armpits. Vomit, the hard reset. Vomiting is the body's way of saying, system failure detected. When you ingest something that shouldn't be there, your brain initiates an emergency purge. It commands the stomach muscles to crush everything inside while it forces the esophagus wide open. The result? A toxic cocktail of bile, acid, and half-digested regret. The smell is mostly butyric acid, a chemical signal that effectively tells your entire system, don't ever do that again. It's an aggressive, zero-tolerance hard reset. Semen, the genetic payload. Semen is a high-stakes transport vehicle. It's not just cells, it's a biological survival kit, packed with fructose to power the sperm cells, prostaglandins to hack the female reproductive tract, and alkaline buffers to survive the acid. It's arguably the most engineered fluid you produce. Its sole mission is to bypass every chemical defense mechanism in the body. It's not just a bodily function, it's a high-speed genetic data transmission system. Mucus. The battlefield mucus is the system's frontline trap. Goblet cells act as a literal glue factory, laying down a sticky layer of glycoproteins to catch anything, dust, viruses, or bacteria that tries to break in. When an infection hits, your immune system deploys neutrophils. These white blood cells rush to the site, kill the invaders, and then die in the line of duty. That green, disgusting goo you blow into a tissue, that's just a graveyard of dead white blood cells and their defeated enemies. Tears, the emotional detox. Tears aren't just for optics. When you're stressed, your endocrine system floods your bloodstream with stress hormones like ACTH and prolactin. Reflex tears are just water, but emotional tears are chemically different. They actually carry these hormones out of your system. When you cry, your body is literally trying to flush the chemical backlog of stress out of your tear ducts. It's a literal biological detox.